Hi, it's me again, Mr McAlpine from the Physics Department at Coatbridge High School. If you have already viewed the previous video for series circuits, this video will concentrate on parallel circuits. Now, if you remember, series circuits, there is only one possible path for the current to flow. A parallel circuit, by definition, is that there is more than one path for the current to flow. So, if I could show you our series circuit, you can take your finger and you can travel around the circuit in one complete loop. The parallel circuit has our original loop, plus it has an extra branch. So there are two possible paths for the current to flow. Hopefully you can see that. Now, as in the previous video, I'm going to use two batteries, two bulbs, and I am now going to build this circuit. When you come up to Coatbridge High School, you will be expected to draw these circuits using the circuit symbols, a ruler, and either a pen or a pencil at the time. So it's good that you get a chance to see this. This will be expected of you. Now, the next step in building this circuit would be to put my components in the same position as they were in my circuit diagram. Two batteries, one bulb, two bulbs. Now, the parallel circuit tends to be a wee bit more difficult, and you're going to see some differences between the last circuit and this one. Right, so our next step, after we've got them in position, you use the connecting wires. Again, please excuse my clumsy arms reaching around the video. You use your connecting wires. Start off with a series circuit. Now, instantly, you may notice a difference between the last circuit and this one. This bulb is a lot brighter than the last bulbs. In the series circuit, the two bulbs were sharing the voltage from the battery. In this circuit, as it stands, that one bulb gets all of the voltage from the batteries. More on that later. Now I'm going to connect up the second bulb, and hopefully all things going according to plan. Well, it would appear we have a problem. I have connected the second bulb and it is not lit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try changing the wire. Maybe the wire is faulty. These things happen in physics and science all the time. There we go. I have identified a faulty wire. Now, what we've got now is we have one path for the current to flow, two paths for the current to flow. Now, in the previous video, we unscrewed one of the bulbs. Let me do that for you right now. Right, so the bulb is missing. We now have a broken or an open circuit at this point, but interestingly enough, one of the bulbs stays in. It is still illuminated or lit. Right, now if I unscrew this bulb, the other one stays lit. Interesting. Now I could tell you why that is the case. Or you could have a think about it and try and come up with a conclusion by yourself. You will find all this out when you come to Coatbridge High School, and we carry out these experiments as part of the Sparks course. Now, please allow me to move this circuit away. You have had a small demonstration of what goes on when we are delivering the electricity unit that is called Sparks. You will be expected to build and investigate these circuits at the time. But for now, let's talk about some of the things that you could do as a follow-up to these videos. Why not go and use the internet or books to find out more about electrical current and voltage? Now, I've used the terms electrical current and voltage here as I've been building these circuits. It would be good if you could now go and find out what those terms mean. You might also want to find out some information about bulbs. The bulbs we have been using here are filament bulbs. You might want to go and find out how filament bulbs work. Other bulbs that you might come across in your day-to-day life, just going around and doing your thing, you might come across LED bulbs. You may also come across gas discharge bulbs. You might want to go and have a wee dig through the internet or some books to find some facts on those types of bulbs. Right? The next step would be take that information and impress your parents or carers. Tell them what you've learned. Show them that you know new stuff. And last of all, it just remains for me to say, have a great summer. We will see you in August, and we look forward to getting you into the science department in Coatbridge High School. Take care. See ya.